we got a bonus.
We got another tree down?
Just the top of the other one. No, that's the top of the same tree, I think.
Top of the same tree?
Yep.
Cool.
Wow.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not
So where's the squirrel?
I think it's a different tree.
It's a different tree. You got two trees down.
Well, at least it's down.
Wow.
That'll be less money to have it cleaned up.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Please be careful that you all don't get killed there.
Yeah, make sure there's no widow makers.
Oh, no, it took off the top of that tree.
Wow.